Well, we all could use a little hope, and how about Music for Hope? That's an organization that we're talking about this morning, joined by the National Director, Michael Jones. Thank you so much for being with us.
Good morning. Thanks a lot for having me.
Absolutely. Now, you all have a big summer fundraising drive going on, but first of all, before we get into that, tell us a little bit about your organization, what you all try to do.
Well, what we do is we try to make the world a better place using the power of music, and we do that by helping kids get involved in music programs. Kids involved in music do much better in math and science, and they stay in school and they graduate from school. What a concept, kids graduating from high school.
Oh, and we definitely need it with our low graduation here in Nevada. Anything we can do to help?
Yes, we do. So what we do is we collect instruments, we refurbish them, and we provide them to kids and get them involved in their school music programs.
Excellent.
If they have to go to band, they go to school. They can't be in band if they don't go to school, so they show up for school and they graduate and they do much better in math, science, reading. All their subjects, cognitive reasoning is improved. Music is just such a powerful tool.
It is pretty powerful. In fact, we were just at a high school that just won a Grammy Award out in Henderson and also Las Vegas Academy, and the teacher was saying there that, you know, if it weren't for music, some of these kids might not be as inclined, you know, to come to school. So really, really a huge impact on their lives. But tell us about this summer fundraising drive that's going on and where people can go to check it out.
Well, right now you can check it out on our website at www.musicforhope.org. And what it is called Turn Up the Music.
I like that, Turn Up the Music.
What we're doing, we're collecting instruments and we're collecting money so that by the time school starts in September, we'll have a big cache of instruments, supply of instruments to help schools and kids across the country.
Excellent. And I know you all are here in Las Vegas. You're also, you said you started a chapter in Virginia on the East Coast, so you guys are really expanding here.
Yes, and we have a chapter in Oklahoma City now and a chapter in Southern California based out of San Diego. So
excellent. We'll continue with the good work and helping our kids and making a difference. Also, your Oklahoma director here in studio, so we thank her for joining us as well.
Yeah,
so,
she came all the way for the weekend just to see you. She wanted to come down and see you here on Channel 3.
Well, thank you so much, Michael, for being with us, and come back and see us again, all right?
I definitely will. Thank you very much for having us.
Good luck with the drive. And a special programming note for you at home, we will not have News 3 at 9 a.m. It's preempted due to the French Open. Also, News 3 at 5 and 6 are also preempted due to the Stanley Cup final games as well. So definitely something to keep in mind, but you can tune in for our special live and prime newscast tonight at 8 p.m. Keep it right here to News 3. Thank you so much for being with us, and we'll see you later on today.